Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Children, as you know, we are continuing our chapter number 7, measurement. Today we will be doing part 4. Now, in our previous session, that is part 1, 2 and 3, teacher taught you about what? Length, correct? And then in measurement, what we have learned? Length, then centimeters, meter, kilogram, grams, liters, milliliters. Okay, so today we will be doing a recap of all what we have done in our previous session through our exercise. Okay, now write which unit of measurements will be used to measure the following things. You are going to write that which unit of measurements will be used to measure the following things. Now vegetables. How we take vegetable, children? Do we take in centimeter? 5 centimeter. How we say to the grocer or vegetable vendor that give a lady finger 5 centimeter or give me lemon 3 centimeter? No, we say in grams or kilogram. Like if we want in 1 kg, what we say? Please give me lady's finger 1 kg, correct? Or 500 grams or 250 grams. So vegetables are measured in grams or kilograms. Now milk. How do milk, which unit we use to measure milk? Liter or milliliter. That means we can take in 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, like that. We can't take in 1 kg milk, 3 kg milk or 3 centimeter milk, 8 centimeter milk. No, milk is measured in liter or milliliter. Rice. Now rice also same thing. When we go to a shop, in a grocery shop, and if you want to buy rice, how you are going to buy the rice? In grams or kilograms, because we don't get rice in centimeter, we don't get rice in length, okay, and we don't get rice in liter. Like we can't buy rice in as 2 liter, 3 liters, or we cannot buy rice as 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. We get rice in grams or kilograms, like 1 kg, 500 grams or 300 grams, whatever quantity we required, but it is in grams or kilograms. Length of the blackboards. Now how is the length of the blackboard measured? Meter or centimeter. Can we measure it in kilograms and grams? Length of the blackboard? No. Have you seen a blackboard in our class? If we want to measure the length of that blackboard, will we able to measure in kilograms and grams? No, we need to measure it in a meter or centimeter with the help of a tape measure. We can measure it with a meter or centimeters. Now your weight. Now your weight, how you measure? Teacher has taught you this in the previous session, that how you measure your weight in kilogram, correct? Whatever weight you are having or whatever your weight is, it is measured in kilogram, like 5 kg, 10 kg, 13 kilogram, 18 kilogram. So that is your weight is measured in kilogram, okay? Not in centimeter or not in meter or not in liter. Cooking oil. Now how cooking oil is measured? It is a liquid. So what teacher told you? Liquid things are measured in liters or milliliters, correct? So cooking oil is measured in liters or milliliter. We use which units? Liters or milliliter. Now filling the blanks. The standard unit of capacity of a container is dash. The standard unit of capacity of a container is dash. Now in our previous session we did capacity, where we did with the bottles, a bucket. Teacher showed you how you can empty the bucket and fill the bucket with the 10 bottles of water. So the standard unit of a capacity of a container is liter, correct? The standard unit of a capacity of a container is liter. Repeat after me. The standard unit of capacity of a container is Liter. Correct. Now, Mrs. Renu bought dash kg of grapes. Mrs. Renu bought dash kg of grapes. 2 kg or 2 centimeter. Now, Mrs. Renu, suppose you go to the market and you want to buy grapes. So, what you will tell to the fruit seller, fruit vendor? What you will say? Give me 2 centimeter of grapes? No, what you will say? 2 kilograms. Correct. So, Mrs. Renu bought 2 kg of grapes. Mrs. Renu bought 2 kg of grapes. Grapes is not measured in centimeter. It is measured in kilograms. Correct. Now, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 1000, 100. What is the correct answer, children? This I have done before and we have repeated also many times. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1000 or 100? 100 centimeter. Correct. So repeat, children. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Correct. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, 1 kg is equal to dash grams. 1 kg. Kg is a short form of kilogram. Correct. So, 1 kg is equal to dash grams. Now, 1 kilogram. 1 kg means 1 kilogram. So, 1 kg will be how much grams? Yes, children. This also I have done and we have repeated also. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Correct. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Repeat after me, children. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now tick the correct option. Let us see. You have to tick the correct answer. The length is measured in M. M stands for meter. Correct. B. L. L stands for liter. C. Kg. Kg means kilogram. Correct. Now you tell me the length is measured in what? Meter, liter or kilogram? Children, tick the correct answer and tell me. It is meter. The length is measured in meter, liter or kilogram? Correct. It is meter. The length is measured in meter. So repeat after me, children. The length is measured in meter. We will repeat 3 times. The length is measured in meters. The length is measured in meters. The length is measured in meters. Correct. Now let us move to the next. My pencil is 10 dash long. I repeat the question. My pencil is 10 dash long. A. Kg. Option B. cm, that is centimeter. Option C. ml, that is milliliter. Again I repeat. My pencil is 10 dash long. Option A. Kg, that is kilogram. Option B. cm, that is centimeter. Option C. ml, that is milliliter. So what will be your correct answer? Kg, centimeter or milliliter? How you will say my pencil is 10 kg long? 10 kilogram long? No, it is wrong. Then my pencil is 10 cm, that is centimeter long? Yes? Correct? Okay. So what is our answer? My pencil is 10 centimeter long. Okay, my pencil is 10 centimeter long. Next. Sugar is measured in dash. Sugar is measured in dash. Option A. Kg, that is kilogram. Option B. Liter, that is L. Option C. Milliliter, that is ml. So how you measure sugar? When you go to buy sugar, what you will say? Give me sugar 1 liter. give me sugar 5 milliliter? No. What you are going to say? Give me sugar 1 kilogram or give me the sugar 5 kilograms or 500 grams. Correct. So sugar is measured in what? Kilogram, liter or ml. What is the correct option? Sugar is measured in kg. Correct. Sugar is measured in kg, that is kilogram. So sugar is measured in kg, that is kilogram. Sugar is measured in kilogram. Correct. Now next. Milk is measured in dash. Milk is measured in dash. Option A, gram. Option B, M, that is meter. Option C, L. Milk is measured in option A, G. Option B, M. Option C, L. What is G? What is the short form of grams? G. Correct. So we have written G, that stands for gram. Then we have written option B, M. M stands for meter. And then in C option we have L, that is liter. So grams, meter or liter. Milk is measured in what now? Grams or meter or liters? Yes children, tell me what is the correct answer. Milk is measured in, how we say? Give me 100 grams milk or give me 100 meter milk, or we will say give 100 ml 100 liter milk or 1 liter milk. Yes, milk is measured in liters. Correct. So milk is measured in liters. Now the capacity is measured in dash. The capacity is measured in dash. How do we measure capacity? This we have learned in our volume and capacity session. So tell me how the capacity is measured. Option A, meter. Option B, liter. Option C, centimeter. So how we are going to measure? The capacity is measured in option. Yes, tell me children. This capacity. Do we measure the capacity in meter? No. Then what is the correct answer? The capacity is measured in liters. Correct. The capacity is measured in liters. Repeat children. The capacity is measured in liters. For exams, this all will come in filling the blanks, maybe in true or false. Okay. You have to learn this very thoroughly. The capacity is measured in liters. Now 1 liter is equal to dash ml. This also we have done so many times. 1 liter is equals to dash ml. Option A 100. Option B 1000. Option C 10. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. Option A 100. Option B 1000. Option C 10. What will be your correct answer? Option A 100. Option B 1000. Option C 10. 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 100 ml? No, then 1000 ml? Yes, correct. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Repeat children. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Correct. So with this children, we finish our today's session of measurement. Okay. So in the next session, we will be doing our new topic of measurement. So children, now you know 1 liter is how many ml? 1000 ml. Correct. And 1 kg is 1000 gram. Correct. So children, learn all this thoroughly. Okay. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next session. Till then, bye. See you soon.